Hello, my name is Mary. I am a little girl. I live with my family. My father is very kind. He is smart and strong. I love my father very much. Today, I want to tell you about my day with my father. In the morning, I wake up early. I wash my face and brush my teeth. My father makes breakfast. He makes eggs and bread. I help him in the kitchen. I put plates and cups on the table. We eat breakfast together. It is fun to eat with my father and my mother. After breakfast, my father says, "Mary, do you want to go to the garden?" I say, "Yes, Father." We go to the garden. The garden is big and green. It has flowers and trees. My father teaches me about the flowers. "This is a rose," he says. "It is red and smells nice." I smell the rose. It is very pretty. We water the plants. I hold the small watering can. My father holds the big watering can. We give water to the flowers and trees. The plants are happy. I am happy too. Later, we pick some apples from the apple tree. The apples are red and sweet. I eat one apple. It is very tasty. My father says, "Good job, Mary." I smile. I like helping my father. Later, we pick some apples from the apple tree. The apples are red and sweet. I eat one apple. It is very tasty. My father says, "Good job, Mary." I smile. I like helping my father. In the afternoon, we go to the park. I see my friends there. My friends' names are Anna and Peter. We play with a ball. We run and jump. We laugh a lot. My father sits on a bench. He watches us play. He smiles. He is happy. We play hide and seek. I hide behind a big tree. Anna looks for me. She finds me and we laugh. Peter hides behind the slide. We all find Peter and say, "We see you, Peter." He laughs too. Playing with my friends is very fun. After playing, I feel tired. My father says, "Mary, do you want some ice cream?" I say, "Yes, Father, please." We walk to the ice cream shop. I get a chocolate ice cream. My father gets a vanilla ice cream. We sit and eat the ice cream. It is cold and sweet. I like chocolate ice cream. In the evening, we go home. My mother makes dinner. We eat chicken, rice, and vegetables. We talk about our day. My father tells my mother about the garden. I tell my mother about playing with my friends. My mother smiles and says, "I am happy you had a good day." After dinner, we sit in the living room. We read a storybook. The story is about a little bird. My father reads the story. I listen to him. His voice is calm and nice. I like story time with my family. Before bed, I help my father clean the kitchen. I wash the small plates. My father washes the big plates. We laugh and talk. Then, I go to my room. My father comes to my room and says, "Good night, Mary." I say, "Good night, Father." He hugs me. I feel happy and safe. I love my family. I like helping my father. I like playing with my friends. Today is a good day. I am thankful for my family and my friends.